Judiciary. The total allocation of the judiciary has been increased rupees 281.72 crores. Speaker sir, my government is in forefront in creating the infrastructure for the law and judiciary department in the state. The work of the district and subordinate court of the Medshe is expedited to be completed by the May 2024 at a cost of rupees 150 crores. Registration Department. Speaker sir, mutation and documentation is brought under National Generic Documentation Registration System, wherein the sub-registrar themselves can do the mutation in certain cases. This is implemented on pilot basis in the Office of Civil Registrar cum Sub-Registrar, Fonda M and Pedne will be implemented in all other sub-registrar offices. Speaker sir, presently system notarial deeds and registration is in the age-old erstwhile with the Portuguese regime system, where the deeds are the handwritten on the registrar as was done in the yester's years. By implementing the e-notarial deeds, I propose to replace the time-consuming and tedious manual registration by the digital and online registration system, which will ensure efficiency and in the services and creation of the online record. Speaker sir, I propose to digitize in all aspects of the pertaining to the notaries, including the appointment of the notaries, renewal of license, services provided by notary, etc., to keep a track of the document attested, created, registered, etc. And this will be the safeguard the notaries and individuals from the fraud, and at the same time enable the government to have the data back-end printing to the services provided. Speaker sir, assurances of the nil encumbrance and encumbrance certificates shall be made available online, wherein the citizens shall be able to apply to pay and receive the digitally signed copies online without visiting office of the civil register cum sub-register office. Speaker sir, the department is proposed to digitize all documents registered since 1965 in phased manner, and such data shall be incorporated in the portal of the NGDRS system, thereby making it available for online search for the citizens in issuance of the certificates, and which is in provision of 2 crores has been made.